Yeah, so Juzo has several different options to work with for our patients. And so it begins with the sensation. And sensation was designed very specifically, even with the University of Vanderbilt, to make a product to help patients with lipedema. And so this is a very mild compression, but it gives a lot of variance and stretch in the material and comfort. And that was one of the most important parts that we wanted is to give a mild compression, but give it a range meant more for the lipedema patients and to address body shape issues that can be more difficult to fit with garments. And so these were structured specifically for that. If a patient needs a little bit more than that, Juzo does supply other options. And, I've used in the past Move, which has been very nice for us because it allows to have better containment, but it relieves at the ankle, which is very nice as well. And if a patient really has morphic changes that are problematic, the expert is what we utilize. And the nice part about utilizing compression with lipedema is that it doesn't have to be as heavy as lymphedema or venous insufficiency patients. This is about addressing the inflammation within the tissues and supporting the tissues. And so expert gives a really nice compression that can be whatever you want it to be, but in any shape you need it to be. So for a lot of these patients where they have the medial ankle lobes, the medial thigh lobes, the lateral hips, that can all be addressed through this. And what I like to do and have discussed with other clinicians is that don't do it as a full set of pantyhose. It's nice that the expert can be broken into pieces. So you can have two thigh highs or two ankle, two thighs, and then a pair of shorts. Now, I feel that's really important because when it comes to patients and comfort, part of things that everybody realizes is that we need to keep garments up, but also patients have toileting issues. And so we want to address the function of the garment as well. And so, if they don't have much swelling, great, sensation's nice, but if you need more support, expert being broken into pieces can make it much easier for them to function throughout the day and not have to take everything off. And so, whether I'm needing a mild compression with a circuit or a mild compression to a moderate compression with a flat knit, it's really nice that we can pull all these pieces together out of our toolbox that we utilize in Juzo.